Forex trading for beginners, South Africa. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get access to a free course that I've created a few years ago, and that is still valid till this day, especially if you're a beginner. I'm going to show you how you can get access to that course. So do keep watching this video, and then at the same time, I'm going to show you how we automate this whole process where you no longer need to sit in front of a laptop every single day trading. And then I'm also going to share with you something very spectacular, so do keep watching. Hi there, my name is Errol Muller, and firstly, welcome back to another video. I do appreciate you guys. If you are a subscriber, do click that notification bell, turn on all notifications to be, if you would like to be notified of any future investment videos, forex trading videos, cryptocurrency, multiple sources of income videos. Do hit that subscribe button, and then at the same time, if you feel that this video is worth sharing, that you got value out of this video, please do share this video. So we're gonna hop over to my PC. I'm gonna share a few things with you in this video. Firstly, how you can start forex trading as a beginner, especially in South Africa. I'm gonna share my free course with you. I'm gonna show you how you can get that course for absolutely free, which is still valid till this day. I've been trading forex since the year 2015, and I mean that is about 6 years. I've learned a lot, I've blown up a lot of accounts, and I want to show you what not to do. Okay, and everything is in that course. And then I'm also going to share with you how I automate this whole process. I'm going to share with you, if you want to be part of investments that are really worth investing in, how you can do that. And if you want to create multiple sources of income, I'm going to share exactly with you in this video what you can do in order to create multiple sources of income. If you want to join, let me show you. If you want to be part of a VIP subscriber list where I start sharing with you exactly what it is that I'm doing, all my multiple sources of income, in order for you to build your generational wealth, then the very first link in the description below this video, I will mark it clearly as join the multiple sources of income VIP subscriber list. Join that list, and then you will be notified once a week, twice a week, maybe once a month, every time I do create a very valuable video for you regarding multiple sources of income. Then you will receive that training. Okay, so do keep watching. Let's quickly head over to my laptop and let me show you what it is that we're busy with. So we are back on my PC, and I quickly want to show you guys something. I'm on my YouTube channel. So within this Forex Trading for Beginners South Africa, I'm going to show you quickly how you can get access to the course that I've created a few years ago. And the things that I teach is still valid till this day, especially if you're a beginner and you have absolutely no idea anything of the sort when it comes to Forex trading. Then I highly suggest you check out my channel. What you want to do is you want to head over to the videos section. If you have not done it yet, click the subscribe button, which will be somewhere around here. Hit the notification bell and turn on all notifications. Now, very important for you to watch will be this video right here, how to invest in crypto masternodes. That is if you want sustainable increase, like pure profit every single month. That is, I wouldn't say sustainable, stable. That is the word that I was looking for. It is stable investment. Now the video that I want to show you, and I'll also link it in the top right hand side of your screen right now, will be this one right here. It says how to trade forex, free forex trading in South Africa for beginners. Watch this one. It will show you how you can get access to that free course. In the description below this specific video, there will be a link for you to click on, enter your details, then you will get access to that course. You can download the course for absolutely free. And then what I also want to do is I want to show you basically what I'm busy with and how I've started to automate this whole process. And I'm also busy with a lot of multiple sources of income. Like I said, join the VIP subscriber list if you want some tips and tricks and resources when it comes to multiple sources of income. I highly suggest the first link in the description below this video. Click on that link, enter your details, and I will start mailing you everything that I'm busy with. Now, I just want to show you something. Look at these two accounts. Okay, so the first one, this graph is like very up and down, up and down, up and down. Then I had a big spike, lots of profit, and now literally this past few trades, I would say week 3 weeks or so, was very rough in the forex markets, and I have no idea why. this is robots that are trading for me. This is a robot, as well as this one is also a robot. Forget about this big spike. This was me making a deposit, but ever since then, it's literally just increasing. Now, it's not increasing by a lot. What I can tell you though is this specific robot I absolutely love, because it profits between 0.5% to at least 3.5% every single month. Consistent, and it's stable, whereby this one is much more aggressive, up and down. As you can see, I've had a massive dip with a little bit of a win right here, and this is not what I'm on, but I'm still doing it. It's a live account. Let me show you guys live accounts. It's both testing accounts. It's still live accounts. As you can see, here's the account details. That's my name, surname, leverage. This is the date, 21st of June. This is the exact time that I downloaded this report. So I literally downloaded this report right now before shooting this video. Same with this one. Look at that, 2021 June 27th, and then 1854. So I'm showing you these two, and this is what I'm busy with, and that is why I'm saying you should subscribe to that VIP list, because I'm going to start sharing these robots with you, and how you can get access to these robots, because this is all part of the whole automation system. There's no need for me to sit in front of a chart every single day, continue to trade Forex the whole day. If you want to do that, the course that you can get for free by clicking the information bell on the top right hand side will take you and show you how you can become a day trader and trade basically every single day, sit in front of your PC every single day. Otherwise, like trading with Forex robots, this is what I've been busy with, and it's been going for like 2-3 years now. So it's going good. These are very small accounts. There's other things that I'm busy with. I'm not going to share that with you guys now, especially not the figures or the numbers. But I want to show you these two. These two are test accounts. It's live accounts, but it's test accounts. And it's been testing for quite a while, and I'm happy with the results, which means I've got bigger accounts as well. Okay, so these are for video purposes. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the comments right now, let me know what you want me to create in the future for you. What types of videos? What do you want to see from me in the future? It's very important. Let me know in the comments right now. Once again, I thank you. I appreciate you. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, share this video if you received some value out of this video. I'd really appreciate that. Once again, thank you. Have a wonderful day. See you in my next video.